Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Eye Comfort Shield function in Samsung Galaxy A55. So right now we have our Eye Shield enabled. The easiest way to turn it on or off, we need to swipe from the top, and again our Eye Comfort Shield is here. Of course, if this option is not here, we can go to our settings. And yes, in our settings, next display, and here is our Eye Comfort Shield. This is the same option. We can turn it off from here. Of course, we can customize this mode a little bit. As you can see, by default we have adaptive option, but we can also use custom one, so we can set up a schedule or even a color temperature right here, but we want it off, so let's leave it off. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.